Hello, hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. Another rendition of Math is Easy Step by Step. I like to go over another example of solving multiple step equations. Here we'll be solving for the variable y. As you can see, we have 2y to the invisible 1 power plus 6 minus 10y to the first power plus 9 equals a negative 1. So I just want to clarify again, you can put a plus sign between any terms and it's only going to clarify what it is you need to do. So this is a positive 6 plus a negative 10y plus a positive 9. So what's perceived as a subtraction sign is really a negative sign that goes with that term 10, which makes it a negative 10y. Hopefully that'll clarify some things for you and make it a little bit easier. So the first step I like to take here is I like to combine like terms and I like to reorganize the problem so the terms are right next to each other so I can see exactly what I need to do. As you see here, y to the first power, y to the first power, 2y, and a negative 10y are like terms. You can see here a 6, positive 6, and a positive 9 are also like terms. These guys are constants. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's organize and then let's simplify. So as you can see here, I've rewritten these terms in order from negative 10y, plus, that's a positive 2y. I could show the positive right in front of that too. There's nothing wrong with that if you'd like to do that. Plus a positive 9 plus a positive 6 equals negative 1. So I've just reorganized these values so my like terms are right next to each other. I'm going to combine like terms, and then it's a two-step equation. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's combine like terms. I have a negative 10y plus a positive 2y and a positive 9 plus a positive 6. And then everything else I'm just going to rewrite. I'm going to rewrite the equal sign and that negative 1. I didn't do anything with those there. So I'm just going to rewrite them. Now I have a two-step equation. All right, I combine these terms. I've got a negative 8y plus positive 15 equals a negative 1. So remember, in order to move a term, because our goal is to get that y all by itself. So I got to eliminate a positive 15, and I got to eliminate that negative 8 and turn that negative 8 into a 1, invisible 1y, to get that y all by itself. So remember, the first step is to do the opposite or inverse of a positive or negative term. So this term here is a positive 15. It's getting kind of shaky in here, excuse me. Whew. What's the opposite of a positive 15? Well, it's a negative 15. So I want to add a negative 15 to both sides of my equal sign. Okay, positive 15 plus a negative 15 cancels to be 0. I'm going to rewrite that negative 8y below. I'm going to rewrite that equal sign, and a negative 1 plus a negative 15 is a negative 16 value. So I'm going to show you that here. And so now we're down to a one-step equation. And remember, in our review, the important points I was trying to make was the last step. You're going to be doing the inverse. Oh, it's going to get shaky in here again. I apologize for that. Woo. The last step is the opposite or the inverse of what's being shown. So any number attached to a variable, again, is multiplication. What's the opposite of the inverse of multiplication is division. So I'm going to divide in order to get, again, that y all by itself. I'm going to divide negative 8 to both sides, as you can see here. Negative 8 divided by negative 8 leaves me 1y. Now y is all by itself. A negative and a negative divided by is a positive. 16 divided by 8 is 2. I have a video out there on the adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing rules of integers, which are positive and negative numbers. If you need some review, go ahead and check that out. So our solution is y. Oh, it's getting shaky again. It's shaking it up here. Y equals a positive 2. Now, let's say I'm not sure. I don't know if I did that correctly. If you're taking the HiSET math portion or the G.E.D math portion, you want to check that answer. Because yes, you are timed. However, it's more important that you get more correct answers than you finish in time. Right? So I'm going to take that y equals positive 2, and I'm going to bring it up here to the original problem, and I am going to check my answer. So y equals a positive 2. And everywhere you see y, you're going to want to substitute that positive 2. And so 2 times 2 is 4. 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 times negative 10 times 2 is a negative 20. And we have 10 plus a positive 9, which is 19, plus a negative 20 gives me a negative 1. Does negative 1 equal a negative 1? Yes. So that answer checks off. Y has got to equal positive 2. Hey, thanks for joining me today. Math is easy step by step. I apologize. It was getting a little shaky in here today. Thank you, and hopefully this has made math a little easy for you. Take it step by step.